So in this video we got some huge news about the FIFA Mobile market that will help you make loads of coins in FIFA Mobile. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. Obviously nobody likes this market in FIFA Mobile, but EA have actually done something that is gonna be very good. It's not in the game right now, but it's gonna come out very soon, and we're gonna go and talk about that, as I said. But basically EA are starting to decrease the prices for most of the players from 80 to 100 overall, 110 overall players. We're gonna go and check out the official tweet as well from you. But basically, here we go, Elianusi, and he's got 999 plus listings, right? I can't sell him because his minimum price is 2,850,000 coins. But this price is gonna drop. These prices are gonna keep dropping, and hopefully we are gonna be able to all sell most of the players, and hopefully the price are gonna drop quite a bit, because if it drops to like 1.7 mil, that won't make any change. Now just seen Hamsik is going for quite a bit, so that's nice. I'm not gonna sell him right now because he's gonna keep increasing probably, but that's basically what's gonna happen. From 80 to 110 overall players, every single one of these cards, prices are gonna drop, minimum prices are gonna drop, and we're gonna have a chance to sell most of them and get as much coins as possible. Let's go ahead and check out the official tweet then. Here it is from EA FIFA Mobile themselves officially. Starting soon, the minimum prices for 80 to 110 overall players may begin dropping. This is one of the improvements we are rolling out to help the market. Stay tuned for more info on market improvements. So this is one of the improvements, which means they're doing something else. They're doing a couple of other things, which is very lovely indeed. Stay tuned for more info on market improvements. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section what else do you want to be improved about the market. Obviously, the fact that we got so many players, so many cards in our teams, and we can't sell any of them, that's quite sad. So it's good that they're dropping the prices for 80 to 110 overall players, and this is definitely a step into right direction, right? We're gonna be able to sell most of the cards. Look how many cards I've got that is under 110 overall. I'm still trying to sell some of them, of course, right here. I don't know if these cards are gonna sell lately. My Team of the Year cards have not been selling. Obviously, I was able to sell a lot of them. I sold so many of these cards, and I made 340 million coins. I sold Unahi there as well. I'm gonna go and claim those coins in today's video as well, and we're gonna reach 360 mil over that, of course. Bam, yeah, we're going Kunku right here. Wasn't able to sell in Kunku, for example, and now when his price drops, hopefully I will be able to sell something with Rodri and all the other cards. And yeah, you can do the same, of course. I don't know if it's gonna come out in one region faster than another. I don't know anything about that, or if it's gonna come out at the same time, or when exactly it's gonna come out. It just says that it's gonna start dropping soon. I guess it's gonna start dropping. So yeah, I'm waiting for it. I'm gonna go and check it every single day, of course, to see if the prices are dropping, to try to make as much profit as possible. Look, man, I've got so many cards, even 90 overalls, 89s, 86s right here, 85s, 84s, 80 overalls, even 79s and lowers are not gonna be. You're not gonna be able to. The price of them are not gonna drop. I've still got some of them that I will be able to sell most likely, but the prices for those cards are no need to be dropped either way, right? Like 79 lower overalls, they don't really need to be dropped. Anyways, let me go ahead and claim those Nahi coins. We are gonna get almost 24 million coins after tax, and we got 366 million coins. That's quite good. That's quite good. Now we've got the Team of the Year event right now, of course. Let me know if you're still playing it, because I'm not playing it. We've got this. I'm still gonna play this. I think I'm still gonna play this tournament and get open those packs, Team of the Year exchange packs. But other than that, I don't think I'm gonna do that many things in here. Even in the honorable mention section, I just don't care about this event anymore, right? I just don't even care about it. I was quite close to getting the guaranteed prime icon as well, but I didn't even do that. Let me know if you want me to open this guaranteed prime icon pack. If you really want me to, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. That way. But other than that, I don't really care. In reward path, you can see I haven't even gone that far. So yeah, not not really that great from me right there. Not really that great. Now, I said I wanted to complete the hero's journey, but unfortunately, I totally forgot to play the matches for the last week. But I can go ahead and do it this week. First of all, I need to complete the skill games, of course, once again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and complete the matches as well. And hopefully, this week I'm not gonna forget it. Skill games, I'm gonna complete those skill games right now because they are very fast to do. And matches, I'm gonna do it off camera. First one is quite easy. We just need to hit those bricks, and we're gonna get, what was it, 30? No, 15. Okay, 15 for the first one, and from the second one we're gonna get 30, then 45, and then 60, and double that for matches. And at the end I'm gonna be able to get 800 super scores and hopefully complete one of the 110 overall player exchanges, heroes player exchanges. That's the plan anyways. Right. Second one, this is quite easy as well. Just need to hit those scores, whatever it is, and yeah, 3 times in the middle now, and this is gonna be done very easily. Right, that's 2 out of 5 done. That's 2 out of 5 done. And we're gonna get 30 hero points this time. Let me know if you already claimed one of the 110 overall hero players from here, and if you did, which one did you claim? And which one is your favorite one? Like for me, I think the 110 overall German striker, I forgot his name. I think that's the best one. I come up against him. He was good. Also with stats, I think he's the best one. But yeah, if you disagree with me, let me know. Let me know down in the comment section. Anyways, this is the last one we are doing. This is the last skill game we are playing right now. Let's see what is it. Okay. Right, Mbappe is gonna be able to outrun that defender, whoever it is, it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's quite easy to do as well. Right, there we go. We completed all the skill games, and now hopefully I'm not gonna forget to complete the matches as well. Hero's Journey, we got 60 points, and that's it. Right, can I open this pack? How can I not open this pack? Yeah, I guess I can't. I guess I can't. Anyways, yep, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Or I can get extra 100 training transfer items. I'll take that. That's not bad. Alright, take care, goodbye, and peace. But yeah, it's definitely good that we're gonna get rid of all this junk, all these unwanted players, and we're gonna make some coins for it as well. This market was so bad. Hopefully they're gonna make a lot of improvements for it, a lot more improvements than dropping the prices. I don't know which ones yet, but yeah, let me know what you want them to do. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.